Hello, Norwex friends and customers. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the research study that came out a couple of weeks ago. And thank you so much to my customers that forwarded that to me, all excited with this proof that we're not crazy, that yes, we do need to stay away from the chemicals. But I feel like too, it's an article and it came and it went, and I just really wanted us to take some time and kind of break down the study, talk about it in layman's terms, like what does this mean, and really how does it affect you? And so at the end of this video, I will post a link that will take you directly to the study so you can read it on your own. But really, I just wanted us to hit the highlights and then kind of maybe talk about some application at the end. So if you haven't heard, this is what the research is it's the European Community Respiratory Health Survey. They've been tracking large population of 6,235 men and women with a beginning average age of 34 at 22 health centers in multiple countries. And over 20 years, participants were quizzed about their use of both spray and liquid home cleaning products and had their lung capacity tested regularly. And so these are the results. And so they have several findings here. And finding number one is the weekly use of home cleaning products is as damaging to lung health as smoking 20 cigarettes a day. And shockingly, the research study concluded that women who used home cleaning products at least once per week, so just a normal cleaning week, saw the same reduction in lung capacity as those who smoked a pack a day over the same period. Incredible. Finding number two, women are affected more than men. While not completely unaffected, male lungs have proven to greater endure exposure to environmental pollutants. That's very interesting. So really, it's women that also more engage with cleaning products around the house. Finding three, cleaning at home is just as harmful as occupational cleaner or cleaners, if not more so. So just, a stay-at-home mom, or even if you work outside the house, but you come home on the weekend, Saturday is your big cleaning day, and you pull out the bleach and the Pine Sol and the Clorox wipes and the shower cleaner and all of that, then you will have the same decrease in lung health as people that clean for a full-time living. Finding four, liquid cleaners are just as dangerous as sprays. This really surprised me. But the study showed that products delivered through a spray or mist didn't necessarily prove more dangerous than those applied as a liquid, gel, or wipe. And I believe that because even when I pull out the disinfectant wipes, the odor, you are breathing that odor and you can really smell it. Finding five, ammonia, bleach, disinfecting compounds, and other dangerous chemicals appear to be the primary culprit. So that's it. Finding six, women who regularly use cleaning products have increased rates of asthma. And I think this is true for my mom because my mom is about 60-ish and she's been fine her whole life. And then about 3 years ago, she was diagnosed with asthma. And at first I didn't believe her. I was like, your doctor's crazy. Why? How in the world do you just get asthma out of nowhere? And she had no answer for that. And then I told her, I said, I think it's what you've been cleaning the house with. And look at this. This research is proving that. So she's doing a better job of using her Norwex now. And hopefully that will help give her some relief. So finding seven. Damage is cumulative over time. So, low-grade information over many years could possibly lead to persistent damage to the airways. So, what does this mean? What are we going to do about this? Well, I equate it to smoking. Back 100, 200 years ago, they had no idea what smoking did. So everybody smoked. You smoked when you were pregnant. You just smoked on the airplane. It didn't matter. But now we know, and because we know, we can make better choices for ourselves. And it's the same with your cleaning supplies. I don't care if you use Norwex. I just want you to stop using the things that we know are damaging our bodies. So get rid of it. Just clean it out, throw it out, and try something new. So there's all kinds of organic, natural cleaners out there that you can use. But truly, honestly, Norwex is the main one I have found that hands down cleans like a boss without any of the chemicals. And so if you might have one or two products in your house, you might have a window cloth or an EnviroCloth, and that's a wonderful place to start. But I have found really the only way you can truly save money, truly experience the benefits of Norwex, is by having a whole bunch in your house. You need to have at least 3 or 4 EnviroCloths, 1 or 2 window cloths. You need the Blue Diamond bathroom cleaner. And I say need like need, but you really do need, because it's the only thing I found that actually cleans my bathroom better than the standard chemicals. And I can breathe when I'm cleaning. It's so fabulous. And so, I want to put the Blue Diamond on special this month only, just for y'all, my VIP customers. And the Blue Diamond is going to be my diamond, my hidden gem, because I think everyone just loves it that gets it. So if you'd like to get a bottle of Blue Diamond, it's normally $29.99, and I think that's a great price because you can use it concentrated. My first bottle lasted me for almost a year, and that way you can get it 20% off whenever you purchase it with any other item. So it goes great with Sperry sponges, the bathroom scrub mitt, even your EnviroCloths. So let me know if I can help you with that. And thank you so much for listening. I'm really excited about this study because, you know, we're no longer crazy to feel this way about Norwex and cleaners. We have some documented scientific proof that really backs it up. So please post if you have any questions about the study, or if you have yourself experienced any of these side effects that you think are related to the cleaners, and let's get some conversation going. All right, thanks guys.